Hey everyone and welcome back. Trying to figure out which free transcription tool is actually best for you? Let me break down Whisper, Otter, and Descript side by side. Whisper by OpenAI is completely free if you run it on your own computer. It handles 99 languages and delivers 95 to 98% accuracy even with accents and background noise. The catch: you need Python and a decent computer to set it up. No built-in speaker labels or real-time transcription. Otter AI is built for live meetings. It joins Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams, automatically gives you speaker identification, and generates AI summaries. The free plan gives you 300 minutes per month, but each conversation is capped at 30 minutes, and you only get 3 file imports total. Descript is for content creators who edit podcasts or videos. It lets you edit audio by editing the transcript, delete words, and the audio follows. The free plan gives you 1 hour of transcription per month, but exports have a watermark at 720p resolution. So which is best for you? For private local transcription, with no limits, choose Whisper. For live meetings and collaboration, choose Otter. For podcast editing, choose Descript. If you use any of these tools, let me know which one in the comments. See you in the next one.